Situation on the left bank of the Kherson region for Russian forces. They are literally being smoked out of their positions.
Пытайтесь через силу, пытайтесь, нахуй вы на войне или где? Серый, быстрее, брат, быстрее, ау, беги! Аллаху Акбар, блядь!
Давай, Деба, блядь!
Нужно ехать быстрее!
Олег, давай, блядь, беги! Олег, блядь, давай бегом, блядь!
Блядь, давайте! Олег, давай!
Деба, поехали, Деба, поехали!
Стой, 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 стой! Давай!
Давай бегом!
Блядь! Блядь!
Пока, есть пока!
Молчали, молчали, поехали!
Beautiful shot with a javelin near Chasiv Yar. Ukrainian Marines of the 36th Marine Brigade shot down a Russian Supercam recon UAV in the Kharkiv region.
Yes. Yes.
Massive German arms delivery to Ukraine yesterday, including 120 infantry fighting vehicles Marder, 50 tanks Leopard 1A5, 6 anti-air systems Iris-T, 3 HIMARS systems, 132,155 millimeter shells, and much more. This is really huge, equivalent to a whole armored brigade. We will not talk about counteroffensive this time. Russian naval blogger talks about the 2nd July surface drone attack on Novorossiysk, says a certain Russian officer is guilty of binge drinking which leads to such results. Essentially, they've let the drones through, it was a mistake, and more attacks are now expected. Finally online. Hello everyone. Here's what I want to say about yesterday's USVV attack on the Novorossiysk base. The guys from the BPDSS NVMB and everyone who defended the base last night, you are handsome men and the pride of the Russian fleet. Shooting coldly, prudently, and accurately at a fire ship filled with explosives is a feat. And those whose responsibilities include organizing the early detection of naval USV and their destruction, at least on the border of the territorial waters, you've been pissed on. Once again, you let the enemy kamikaze into the bay, forcing the entire hero city to jump up half the night and hide children away from the windows. And yes, somewhere there is one high official who periodically goes on a drinking binge throughout the war and then lays under V's. Almost everyone knows about him. If you get drunk again, your own officers will disgrace you right in your office, and I will help them spread it. I really hope you read it and draw conclusions. You can consider this a black mark. I can no longer tolerate this obscene attitude towards naval service. Tovarish Major, and everyone who guessed who I'm talking about, you can contact me in the bot and we'll talk. Hugged everyone, dear ones. Let's win together. We continue to work. P.S. The enemy has conducted reconnaissance in force. We should probably expect a more massive attack. Destruction of the Russian Yastreb AV, a $250 million counter-battery radar system designed to detect the trajectory of incoming artillery and determine the point of origin for munitions, again using the US-supplied HIMARS. Tambov gunpowder factory in Russia this morning. They say all the drones were intercepted. Okay, we believe them. Putin says they are building a sanitary zone from Kursk to Rostov. Meanwhile, in Belgorod, Putin stated that the Istanbul agreements are still valid and can serve as the basis for resuming negotiations. The agreements are reported to have included clauses demanding that Ukraine adopt a geopolitically neutral status and not join NATO, limit the size of its armed forces, and grant a special status to eastern Ukraine, all things which President Zelensky has made clear he opposes. An explosion at the General Dynamics Ordnance and Tactical Systems plant in Camden injured at least 2 people. The Camden plant houses more than 880,000 square feet of manufacturing and storage space, and it supports military programs such as the Hellfire and Javelin missiles and various mortar munitions.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.